Hi, I'm going to give you a quick tutorial on how to insert a video, online video, right into your OneNote notebook. You can do this in OneNote 2016. So the first thing you want to do is go to YouTube and you want to find the video that you're going to insert. I'll go to my channel. I think I'm going to choose a cyberbullying video that I've already edited. Here it is. So I'll click on the video and then I will right click on the video to get the URL of the video. There. Now pause that so we don't have to listen to it. And we will go to OneNote. And here's the page I'm going to insert the video. So I'll title the page, I'll call this Cyberbullying Video. And then I'll write some instructions that my students would see when they go to this page. So I'll write, watch this video and answer the included questions. And then I choose where I want to put the video. I'll put it right here. Make sure you're in the Insert tab and go to Online Video. And right here is where you will paste the URL. Okay. And now the video is inserted directly into the OneNote page. So if you can give this to your students for homework. If they miss a class and you watched a video, you can save the videos here. They can have a lesson, they can answer the questions right here, they can have a discussion, and instead of having a link to a video, it actually inserts the video directly in here. It's great. So if you have any questions, let me know, and I hope you enjoyed it.